Hey there, everybody at resendez remodeling. My name is Jose, and here's a video that we promised you. And so today I'm going to give you 3 tips that you can implement onto your website so you can start bringing in more traffic through your website and start drawing them in. Okay, so let's stop wasting time and get right to it, guys. Number one, Google, Yahoo, all these search engines are looking for content. Okay, and when I say content, I mean your words and your pictures. Because if you're not on the front page of Google, you will not be found. Okay, because it's rare that anybody makes it past that first page. So see these pictures here? When I go to save as, you want to save them as a keyword. And by a keyword, I mean the words that people are typing into Google when searching for your services, like remodeling Dallas TX, remodeling Fort Worth TX, Fort Worth TX remodeling. Those are 3 different ones, and you can rank differently for each one. You can be found on the first page for one of them and never be found for the other 2. So it just depends how you target your keywords. So you need more. I'd say put about 1,000 words on your front page and fill it with keywords all along your text, and definitely optimize your pictures, and put some keywords behind it. Okay, so that's number one. And see, your site is not secure, so that'll draw a lot of people away from your website. Which right now I don't believe you were being found for any keywords. So what I did is I pulled up a couple of your competitors there in the Dallas area, and as you can see here, I pulled you guys up into my tool that allows me to see your stats. Okay, it allows me to see the words that you're being found for and the words that your competitors are being found for. So see, this is you guys right here. You guys only have 2 keywords, but you guys aren't being found for them. Resendez remodeling. See, you're in the 24th position, which means you're in the 3rd page of Google. And again, nobody ever makes it past the first page. Now let's look at your competitors here. They got 1,000 keywords they're being found for. These guys have 3,000 words they're being found for. So let's check a couple of them out so you can get a better idea. Let's see, DFW improved, 300 searches a month. They're in the 1st position for it. Home remodeling, Dallas TX, 200 searches a month for that, and they're in the 1st position for it. So they're going to be found 200 times on the front page. So this is the difference in why these guys are so huge as a company, and why other people don't make it, because these guys invest into their websites. Home remodeling Dallas, 150 searches a month. Uh, first page. Remodeling contractors Dallas, 150 searches. So see, there's already thousands of searches a month that you miss out on by not having these words on your website and not having them optimized. So that's the first key. That's the first tip I wanted to give you guys. The second tip is just strength. See, this right here is their front page strength, and this is their overall website strength. And the way you get strength is through backlinks. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. Okay. Now this is what we do. So what you want is to put your backlinks on powerful websites, so that uh, some of that power gets transferred onto yours, and that's how your scores go up. Okay, now this is your score right here. You're not even on the map, guys. So you really got to implement these tips to start catching up to these guys. So backlinking is just as important as the keywords. That's number 2. Number 3, the third tip I wanted to give you is the map pack. Okay, this is the map pack right here, and you want to rank here as well, because this will bring you in a lot of clients as well. So in order to rank there, you want to get citations. What a citation is anytime you list your business name, address, and phone number on an online directory like yellowpages.com or yelp.com, then that's a citation. And you want to find out how many citations your competitors here have, the top 3, and get about 20 or 30 above the one that has the most. Okay, so there's tools out there that will allow you to see how many citations they have. So it remember, guys, you guys can do this yourselves. It just takes a lot of time and a lot of research. But if you guys need any help with this, you guys feel free to reach out. My name is Jose. I'm with SEO Monster Design here in Amarillo, Texas, and I'll be happy to help. My number is 806-268-7118.